Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin wa ala ali Muhammad. As you know, class, to begin our day, we always recite the Darud Pak. And now, after me, all of you will recite these beautiful words. Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin wa ala ali Muhammad. Good morning, class 2. Welcome to English class. Myself Farva Shaukat and I am your English teacher. To begin our today's lesson, we will discuss about the message of the day. And our today's message of the day is, you can learn something new every day if you listen. जब आप कोई भी चीज़ को गौर से सुनते हैं तो आपको कुछ ना कुछ लर्न करने के लिए, कुछ ना कुछ सीखने के लिए मिलता है. All right? If you listen to me, if you listen to your parents, you will always learn something new. Only if you listen. All right? Our today's lesson's contents are: first, odd animal, a poem. As you know, I will be giving a model reading to this poem. Then I will be explaining the important things to you in this poem. Then we have words meaning. Then we will be doing our exercise B2. Then C1 exercise. And after that we will recap the entire lesson. And at the end I will be giving you a home assignment. Alright? Okay, now look at the picture in front of you. What is this? This is an animal, but it has feathers, it has a trunk, it has 4 legs. Okay, but this is a very strange animal. As you see the name, odd animal. Odd animal mean very strange animal, very different animal. Alright, आप पिक्चर में देखें तो ये बहुत अजीब सा एनिमल है ना. So we name it as an old animal. It has feathers, lime green feathers. It has purple legs. It has bright long blue trunk, and you can see the nails on the toe of the animal, on the feet of the animal. So this is very strange type of animal, very odd animal. Now all of you open your books at page number 97. Believe me, this story is true. Alright, what is the poet saying? That you must trust him, what he is telling you. And what he is telling you? The story. This story is true. True means real. I once saw an animal whose trunk was bright blue. Means the poet saw an animal whose trunk was bright blue. Alright, and he's saying that this is a true story. This is a real story. Okay, now look at the last word of second line and the last word of fourth line. True, blue. True, blue. These are the rhyming words in this stanza. Alright, and you can see the colored work in trunk. Trunk. This word is trunk. Trunk is a long nose of an elephant. What is a trunk? Trunk is a long nose of an elephant. Alright, so in this stanza the poet says that he saw an animal and he's telling you a true story. What does the poet saw? Can you answer? What does the poet saw? I once saw an animal means he saw an animal. Alright, and how was the trunk? Trunk was bright blue. Please listen, I'll tell you of this creature I have seen. Its 4 legs were purple, its feathers lime green. Okay, in this stanza The poet is saying, please listen, I'll tell you. You can see the word I'll tell you. This is a contraction of I will tell you. मैं आपको बताऊंगा, I will tell you. So in contraction form we write I'll tell you of this creature I have seen. Okay, creature means what does the word, how we will pronounce this word? Creature. Okay, its four legs were purple, its feathers lime green. How will you pronounce the word feathers? Feathers. Okay, जो उसके पर थे वो लाइम ग्रीन कलर के थे. You know what is the color, how is the color lime is? It is like, you know, lemon has two colors, green color and yellow color, and that lime color of a lemon is called lime color. Okay, and in this stanza you can see the last word of second line and the last word of fourth line have the rhyming scheme in this stanza. Rhyming means जो rhyming form में आते हैं, जो एक rhyme में चलते हैं. Seen green. So poet is telling us about the creature which he has seen. और उसकी legs कैसी हैं? Can you guess? Can you tell me can you answer about the legs of the animal? It has 4 legs and they are purple. What is the color of the legs? Legs are in purple color. And what is the color of feathers? They are lime green in color. Moving to the last stanza. The 5 nails on each toe were covered in hair, and its head quite red, looked like squashed pear. Okay, the toe of the feet, they have 5 nails on each toe, and the nails are covered in hair. It's very strange, right? हमने तो कभी nails को hair में covered नहीं देखा, but this animal's nails are covered in hair and its head quite red. और उसका head का color कौन सा है? Red color. Looked like squashed pear. Squashed means squeezed pear. You know, pear is a fruit. ठीक है? It is a name of the fruit, and the head of the head of this odd animal is like in squashed pear. All right, it's not in round form but in a squashed pear form. Clear? In this stanza we can see the last word of a second line is hair, which is the rhyming word which makes a rhyming pair with pear. Pear is present in the last word in the last line. All right, pear. Squashed means to squeeze, to flatten. Okay, squashed pear. All right, now at last we have the name of the poet, Ash Vinegar. Now we will be discussing words and their meanings. First word is squashed. Squashed means pressed, squeezed, flattened. We have already discussed in the stanza. All right. Second word is true. True means real. Then the last word is trunk. The meaning of trunk is the long nose of an elephant. Now all of you get to the page 98, and we will be doing our exercise B2. All of these words begin with D. What are they? All right, now you have to guess the words which you can make with D. Not light. Okay, you can guess the word. All right, which is not light means dark. Number 2, not dry means which is not dry, that's damp. damp. C part, not night means when there is no night, जब रात नहीं होती तो फिर क्या होता है, दिन होता है ना, day, day. And last word is we do it to the music. जो चीज़ हम म्यूजिक के साथ करते हैं, what we do with the music. When there is a music going on, what we do? We dance. Dance. Moving on to the next exercise at page number 99. Prepositions. You know, we have already discussed prepositions in our last lesson, right? Okay. Prepositions are the words which have no meaning, but they give the direction and the position of the noun in the sentences. Alright? Add suitable prepositions in the blanks below. First one, the cow jumped over the moon. Cow ने कहाँ पे jump किया? Over the moon. Moon के ऊपर से. So, cow is a noun जिसकी position क्या है? Over the moon. So, over is a preposition over here. Number B, Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Okay, so where is Humpty Dumpty sitting? On a wall. So, on a wall is the direction of Humpty Dumpty where he is sitting. Number C, one for my master. One for my master. Here for is giving direction to the master. So, this is also a preposition. Number C, the mouse ran up the clock. Here again, up is giving us the direction of the mouse, that where he is running. Alright? Now we will recap the entire lesson. Was a creature an elephant? Do you think that creature was an elephant? No, it was not an elephant. What kind of trunk it has? It has a bright blue trunk. Which animal do you know that have a trunk? Can you guess the animal? The name of an animal who has a trunk? Elephant has a trunk. What kind of legs did creature have? Creature की जो legs थी उसकी kind क्या थी? The creature has 4 purple legs. Alright? What was odd about the nails? Nails के बारे में क्या चीज़ आपको strange लगी थी? They were covered with hair. Alright? Do you think the animal is real? Do you think, class? Is this animal a real animal? No, the animal is not real. That's why it is an odd animal. इसलिए तो वो strange animal है, क्योंकि वो real ही नहीं है. It's not real. Now, at the end, I will give you an home assignment which you will do at your home, and that's learn dictation words. Now, you have to write your diaries to learn these words. First one, believe. Believe. ये आप देखें तो इसमें तीनों में जगहों पे ई आ रहा है. There is no A. बच्चे मिस्टेक आप लोग करते हैं जब आप लोग इसमें A लिखते हैं. Alright? ये 3 के 3 E हैं. There is no A in believe. Trunk. Trunk. Creature. Creature. Feathers. Feathers. Squashed. Squashed. Okay, so these are the 5 words which you have to prepare for your dictation. Alright, and I hope you all would have understood the entire lesson, and if there is any problem, if there is anything you would not understand, you can ask me for that, and make sure that you should all note the proper answers of all the given exercises. Alright, thank you so much, class, for your time. Allah bless you all, my students. Have a good day, class. Thank you.